Thanks for purchasing from Bellink Books. I'm going to show you how to access your to-do list in Microsoft Excel. We're going to scroll down to the second page and click the link for the MS Excel file. It's going to take you to the to-do list in Microsoft Excel in OneDrive Online. From here, you're going to go to the File in the top left. Don't think you can just start using it, because if you notice in the top right, it's for viewing only. So again, we're going to go to File, Create Copy, and I want to point out we are not going to create a copy online. You're welcome to try it, but when I tried it, it gave me an issue saying that the file didn't exist, even though we are looking at the file right now. So instead, I'm going to ask you to download a copy of the file. And then you can either use that downloaded copy in OneDrive, or you can go up to your waffle, go to Excel, and upload. And then you'll select the file and upload it. And now this is your copy of the to-do list. And again, you can use this in Excel on the desktop, or you can use it here in OneDrive. And let's add some test text. And once you check and uncheck the check mark, the text will turn red and get crossed off. If you accidentally delete a checkbox, make sure you're clicked into the correct cell, go up to Insert, and then look for checkbox. So no worries if that happens, it's super easy to fix. And that's your to-do list. You do have a light option here if you prefer to have a white background. But I hope you enjoy, and please remember to only use this for personal use. I am a small, super small business, one-woman team, and I really appreciate your support in purchasing this product. Thank you.